लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट जब फैमिली से मिला हो, फ्रेंड से मिला हो, कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ से मिला हो, आपके लिए क्या था?
I'm a really hardworking human being and down to earth. And another thing, recently I came to know that I don't look like 59 years old.
शादी के बाद लाइफ से फैमिली और बच्चों के लिए नहीं रह जाती, ऐसा प्रूव किया है हमें गृहलक्ष्मी 2024 की कंटेंट्स मार्गरेटा एपी। लाइफ में किसी भी जर्नी को शुरू करने से पहले उसका स्टेप लेना सबसे मुश्किल होता है। तो आपने गृहलक्ष्मी आने के लिए सबसे पहला जो स्टेप लिया, क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था, किस तरीके से आपने फैमिली में अपने इस थॉट को रखा कि हाँ मुझे इस पैजेंट में जाना है, ब्यूटी पैजेंट में जाना है, प्लीज़ हमें बताएं।
Actually, coming to Grahalakshmi was my second attempt. I have participated another pageant, beauty pageant, Diva pageants. That was in the last June this year, 2024. And I have won Mrs. Shining Star subtitle also. That was my first journey. So taking the first step takes little bit of courage. After that, everything comes like, oh, this is something
Flowing water.
Flowing water, yes. If you ask me about my journey, I am now traveling through an entirely different path because for more than 3.5 decades, I'm used to having that corporate life and culture. Now this is entirely different world, like
Yes.
fashion world, show business, something like that. It's entirely different. But I am so much excited to be a part of this journey, and it is giving me a new platform where I can express my inner feelings, and I can also find out who I am really. Because for the past few decades, after marriage and having been in the career, we get lost along the way. Now this is an attempt to reclaim our true self. So this is a platform for all the women like me who has relegated their dreams to the back burner of their mind.
Yes.
Through this platform, we are getting a chance to find out ourselves.
Sure.
And not only that, we face our insecurities, like we realize ourselves, whichever area we are lacking, find out ourselves that we are lacking all those things, and we are getting a lot of training and so many things.
फैमिली का सपोर्ट कितना रहा? फैमिली में जो भी आपके बड़े छोटे चिल्ड्रंस एनीवन, कितना सपोर्ट रहा?
Actually, if I want to do something, if I really want to do something, I don't ask anybody's support.
Okay.
Or this thing. I go ahead
bigger
with
decision.
Yes, I go ahead with my this thing, and maybe after reaching some point, people come to know that oh, she is on this thing. Then probably some will protest, some will support.
Yes.
Even if there is no support,
पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव,
positive or negative, I'll go ahead. That is my nature. That's why I'm bindas Grahalakshmi.
आप अपनी तरह अदर्स विमेंस को किस तरीके का मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि वो शादी के बाद खुद के लिए जी सकती हैं?
देखिए, शादी के बाद ऐसा मत सोचना है कि हम शादी किया है, ऐसा एक फैमिली मतलब हमारा पर्सनालिटी उसमें डूब नहीं होना है. वी हैव टू maintain our own personality, and we have to find ours.
Never
find
lose
time.
yourself after marriage.
Yes, we have to find time for ourselves, maintain our
Beauty, our
everything.
habit.
Who you are. You have to be careful about. Like, I'm living for my husband. I'm living for my family. I'm living for my in-laws, and I have a job to look after. It should not be like that. I have a family, I have children, I have a career to look after. But if I am not perfect, like my health is not good, my peace of mind is not good, my physical health is
Most
not good.
important.
Everywhere, every aspect of your other life is going to be affected. So, best policy is keep yourself in
Make
your best.
yourself best.
Yes.
After marriage, before marriage, doesn't matter.
Whatever be, wherever be.
लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट जब फैमिली से मिला हो, फ्रेंड से मिला हो, कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ से मिला हो, आपके लिए क्या?
I'm a really hardworking human being and down to earth. And another thing, recently I came to know that I don't look like 59 years old. That means I'm taking very good care of my health, at least.
लाइफ में कोई ऐसा मोमेंट रहा हो जिसे आप रिवाइंड हो लाइफ में कि हाँ ये बार बार आता रहे?
ऐसा तो
कोई
बहुत
moment?
कुछ है, ऐसा तो बहुत कुछ
बहुत
मोमेंट्स
कुछ
है, उसमें से कौन सा आपको
आपको
चाहिए
जो पसंद है आप वो सुना सकते
जो
हो।
पसंद आया?
बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, when I was transferred to Delhi,
ओके।
I'm working for Airports Authority, you know. I'm Deputy General Manager. I came to Delhi and actually I wanted to work along with my husband. We both are in the same field. We are in the aviation industry.
लव
But,
एट फर्स्ट साइट?
No, it was arranged marriage. But
ओके।
we arranged it.
ओके।
Got it? Okay. Then I was posted in a new directorate and I was totally clueless what is the work I am supposed to do. But I hope my superiors knew I could handle all those things. But slowly I
बैलेंस हुआ
हाँ,
चीज़ों का।
हाँ, balance हुआ और that was the best time in my career life in 35 years.
लाइफ इंस्पिरेशन कौन है, चाहे वो करियर में हो, फैमिली लाइफ में हो, या इस ब्यूटी पैजेंट तक पहुंचने तक का सफ़र हो, सबसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन कौन है आपके लिए?
मुझे लगता है मैं खुद ही मेरा इंस्पिरेशन हूँ।
बहुत
कहाँ से कहाँ तक पहुँच जा।
पावरफुल जवाब है ये, चीज़ बहुत पावरफुल आंसर है कि आप खुद की
क्योंकि
इंस्पिरेशन
बाकी दूसरों को कुछ नहीं मालूम है मैं क्या
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, मेरे लाइफ में क्या क्या
बट इन इनर माइंड एंड
yes what all things I have went through up to this I know what I went through in my life, so if I could achieve whatever,
सेल्फ प्रायोरिटी।
yes, so in that sense I myself am my best inspiration.
बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था और बहुत ही मुझे खुद को इंस्पायर फील हो रहा है आपसे बात करके कि कोई क्या कहता है डजेंट मैटर, मुझे खुद को क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, ये चीज़ मैटर करती है और ये आप प्रूव कर रहे हो।
Because in the long run everyone will understand that I am right.
करेक्ट।